YouTubers. Wow, somebody's been pissing around in here. Someone's been sleeping in the bed as well. You think they are Goldilocks? Just done my daily checks. Loaded some stuff that wasn't loaded on board. Something's not right about this seat. Don't know what it is. Where's the steering wheel? Don't know. Pretty chilling morning. It's only at 90 off now. First stop leak. Alright.
Your camera was on all weekend in there, mate.
It's alright.
Yeah.
No, I'm not worried about it.
I
I forgot to unplug it.
2 bottles down there. I don't know whether you were using them for piss bottles or what, so I left. I was going to throw them yesterday and then put the lamp and come out for piss bottles.
No, they're up there then.
Just being a fucking
No.
bastard.
No, I'll keep them up there.
I tried to give it a blast, use the brush, and it fucking come out even worse.
Oh, I've not had a chance to wash it at all.
I tried to give it a bit of a blast yesterday when I got back. I got a brush on it, I just read.
Needs to go.
Shit.
Where's your truck wash? Because I'll get it done today.
There's one at Stafford, southbound.
Right. Is that the second service station then?
No, you know, there's one after Keele.
Alright, yeah.
It's McDonald's.
Right, we're off. That was Ian, the other driver, who drives this.
Turn right, Barlow Road.
Something not right with the seat still. Is that it? Have I done it? I think I might have done it. Right, which way are you taking me now to leak? Let's have a look. A6. Right. So, turn towards Manchester City Centre and then turn left on the A6 through Stockport, Hazel Grove, Boynton, Macclesfield, Congleton, I think. The sat-nav has found a different route which is 5 minutes and 50 seconds faster. It's basically going to cut out the traffic in Poynton, so we're going to go through Bramhall, Wilmslow, Woodford.
After 400 yards, turn right towards Bramhall.
I couldn't turn right there then because someone blocked the junction, which left me in the middle of the junction, and they just couldn't do it. So I'm just going to turn this right here.
After 200 yards, turn right towards Bramhall.
Welcome to Bramhall, where there's very, very nice houses and very expensive cars, but nobody owns them. Bank owns them.
Cross the roundabout, second exit.
Wilmslow, don't you know? That's where we are. So this is a road that I've used many times, but only maybe once or twice in a large vehicle. There's a 13'6" bridge at the end of this road. I'll need to take up the whole road for that because it won't fit at the edges. It's an arch bridge. I don't want to hit it because it's the main line between Manchester and London. So can you imagine the chaos caused if you struck that bridge? There'd be a lot of people that would not be happy because they have to close it. It's a railway line, they have to close it, make sure that you've not nudged the lines. So I believe if you hit a railway bridge, you get an instant 10 points on your licence, plus whatever else they throw at you. So it's definitely a no-no for that one. Just we'll stop here and wait for that traffic to move before we go through.
right, Blantup Road.
Yay, didn't get through. These customers, fuck, right on the ulnar nerve, ouch. Well, these customers ain't here yet, they're open till 9, so they're going to be back in another 10 minutes. I'll just give them a quick call. I need something to clean this windscreen with, got to be something up here. I'll find a rag. Right, so that's all the windows cleaned. Just playing with the new swivel mount. I should be able to mount the camera in more places now. I still want a clip one where I can just like clip it onto something, you know, like a alligator clip type thing. That's what they're called. Toilet tissue is not the best thing to clean your windscreen with, but I can't find my microfiber towels I normally have. I think I've taken them home to wash them actually. Yeah, look at that. I think there's going to be a few streaks on this, so I might have to do it again later on. Never mind. It needs doing. I was coming up the hill before and I just couldn't see really. So much crap on it. I've been saying I should be doing these for weeks now, so it's my own fault for not cleaning it really. It's just so bloody big. I'll have to get on the other side for this. Truck clean. Apparently there's a truck wash here, so let's get the truck washed. I'll have to go inside for some cash. It's getting washed internally as well. Move over so we can spin it round. Well, it's a hell of a lot cleaner than I can get it, and they've got a roller for the curtains. with a very clean lorry, wagon, truck. Well, the camera keeps turning itself off again, so I'm going to have to delete these files that are on there. Not sure if this is the right angle or not. You guys will have to let me know what you think of this angle. I know some people don't like it already. Some people don't like change though. But let me know what you think. Is it better for motorway use or for round town use? I'm probably not going to wear it whilst I'm unloading because I'll look like a dick. Bluntly. I don't know. We'll see. Just want to change the angles a bit. I want to get some more mounts, but they're quite expensive. eBay ones tend to break. They don't last long at all. I might actually buy another GoPro, but a GoPro 1, just because they're quite cheap now. So if I get a GoPro 1, I can have a couple of angles, and I could probably hook them up to my, if it's got Wi-Fi, hook them up to the Wi-Fi button and start them simultaneously. Because otherwise it may be difficult to sequence the audio, if that's the right word for it. A38, this one, junction 6. Smart move, smart car, not really. What you doing? Let's just back off because you don't know what you're doing, do you? They probably think they've done a smart thing there, get it in and, you know, without having to cause any problems, but the fact is that van had to slow down and I had to slow down. And they'll think there's no problems, nothing's wrong, everything's fine. Which it is, but you shouldn't really have to make other people brake, slow down for you.
Towards Birmingham.
It's getting a bit warm now. I think the jumper's going to be coming off soon. Yeah, and the next break I'm going to have to plug the camera into the computer and delete those files because it keeps turning off like literally every time I put it on.
After 300 yards, you have reached your destination.
Right, what's the name of this company I'm looking for? Should have looked really. Right, done at this one. Double drop. Right, Coventry. What's that? 15 miles? 40 minutes? What time are we on? 3 hours of driving. Time to start work this morning. So 12:30. I'm gonna take a 15-minute break, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna take a 15-minute break.